That's awesome. Appreciate it, man. I've never seen something like this. Not like that. That's good, bro. You could give me a rundown of everything in here?
Yeah, 10-4. I've got two 320 hairpin alts, two 3100 AGMs on a 6K, American-based 6K. I'm running two 15-inch ZV4s, custom made. That's about it.
And this is wired to?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay.
Box is tuned to 32 Hertz.
32 Hertz. All right. Solid, dude. First time ever seen something like that. I like the way you did the port. Thanks for explaining it too.
Absolutely.
Looks good. How big is the box?
It's 8.5.
8.5 net. Okay. Awesome. And you got an 80 PRS?
80 PRS.
And then your doors are?
8/8 Timpanos.
Wow. Did you do the fiberglass work?
I did not.
You did? It still looks really nice. I like it. Yeah, that looks really good, man. What's on the doors for the amps?
It's just precision power, 900.4.
Those are pretty good amps. Okay.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Awesome. And what was your name?
Mike.
Mike. All right. Thanks for the demo.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, baby, we can.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it took a long time.
Oh, yeah.
That is awesome. You did a great job.
72 of them.
Jesus.
Yeah, hand routed every one.
That's how you optimized your box space to utilize this to tune it to. Did you do that? You kept adding, or did you just?
No. I designed everything. Where I work at, we have a CNC, and I gave the guy my measurements that I needed for a ring. He cut me out a ring of a specific size, and then I hand routed the rest of them. So it's to the decimal.
Oh man, I believe it. Whew.
Tuned at 32 Hertz.
Wow. That's awesome. Appreciate it. I've never seen something like this. Not like that. That's different. Dude, that's pretty cool.
Thanks, man.
Have you metered it yet?
I was just in the process with one of my teammates.
Yeah.
Just putting it on the meter, and the battery died. But I saw a 148.
It does.
That's what it was.
That's still pretty good, yeah.
Like literally, I just got this in at 12 o'clock last night. So
wow.
I haven't had any time with it, like whatsoever.
Okay.
Delete. Undo the DJ Slow and Throw.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.